Hello and welcome to live streaming course. My name is Olakudo Johnson Daniel on Liberty HAB. In this episode, we'll be looking at downloading and installing our streaming software, which is OBS. OBS is Open Broadcast Software, and it is an open source software, which means it is free. So now to download OBS, just go to your browser and go to google.com and search for OBS download. So, and when you do that, click on this first link, download OBS Studio, and it's going to open the website right here. So now, if you are using Windows, click on this Windows icon here so you can download the installer. And if you are using MacBook, you are going to select, you have the option to select for Intel or Apple Silicon. For me, I'm using the Apple Silicon, so I'm going to select on the Apple Silicon. So I'm going to click on download installer. Now it's done, so we can then go ahead and open it right inside of your folder, and it's going to open up right here. So then just drag and drop inside the application. That's for MacBook. But if you are using Windows, just follow the basic way of installing software on your laptop. Now, I'm going to close this. I'm going to eject that, and I'll just go ahead and open my OBS. So I click open. It's going to say open. Now, access granted. You might need to allow for some permissions. So access granted already, and click continue. So if you're having difficulty, if you have maybe MacBook and you are opening it for the first time, just click access. If you just allow for any permission, if you have to go to system preferences and go to accessibility to enable some of this stuff, so you might just have to do that. So but yeah, access is granted already. So now I'm going to click on continue. Then it's going to launch my OBS. So right here, for the first time, it's going to show this way. Don't worry about that. Just click on next, 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 and click cancel. We are going to change that later. That's simply how you download and install your OBS right on your PC. In the next episode, we'll be looking at creating new projects right inside of OBS. So see you in the next episode. Bye.